Hi, this is Andy Filipiuk in Toronto for the week of November the 19th. Markets around the globe have begun heading lower once again, with just about every asset class dropping against the US dollar. A friend sent me a piece showing that Bitcoin has dropped from 19,000 last year to now about 4,500, a 75% drop. We also have oil down over 20% in the last month alone, and the FANG stocks, the Apples, the Facebooks, are all in correction mode at this point. So everything is going down, and this is a very distinct deflationary trend. Now, I have included a video by Brent Johnson of Santiago Capital. It's 20 minutes long, but it does a great job of storytelling and explaining why the US dollar has been so strong. Now, he gives a lot of the examples that I've been given, but what he really shows is that this is unavoidable because there's $2 trillion of money needed each year just to pay the interest on all of the US debt outstanding globally. And this is at a time where Trump tariffs, the Fed's raising interest rates, and the Fed's shrinking its balance sheet is causing dollars harder and harder to find. So as the dollar goes up, investors in the dollar are left with the choice. What do you do once you move it into US dollars? Well, you can look at global sovereign debt, but there's $8 trillion of it with negative interest rates. So who's going to take the strong dollar and buy something with a negative interest rate, help subsidize a government policy somewhere? As well, you really can't go into emerging markets because many of them have tremendous dollar problems because they borrowed in dollars, converted it to their local currency. So why would you want to help out those countries if they're struggling? And as well, a lot of them are oil producers, and oil's delivering fewer and fewer dollars. So he points out succinctly how you can only really stay in dollars. And this isn't going to change anytime soon because nobody's going to be raising rates nearly as much as the US. He concludes that the US dollar will go to all-time highs. Now, this is where I disagree with him to some extent because I think policymakers would have to stop or intervene to prevent the dollar from getting too strong. But he does show in Exter's pyramid that the next move after strengthen the US dollar is naturally gold, because gold is the safest asset in Exter's pyramid in terms of overall market safety. So please have a watch of the video. I think it's well worth your time, and we'll keep you posted. It's going to be tough markets going forward, but again, with our permanent portfolio, we're only 20% in the equity market, so we're very nicely hedged for these types of events that we're seeing now. Thanks for watching.